In this video, we'll discuss how to insert different steps and okay. So I'm just going to any Word document. I'm just going to insert tab. Example, you want to write some insert some shape. Okay, example rectangle. Just select insert steps. Select the rectangle. Now see our rectangle got. Now you want to insert one more shape. Insert step circle over. Select over. Okay, so you want to insert some other picture, just go to insert, find any shapes. Okay, just draw. Okay, so any shape you can do, and you can do edit here. Okay, you can write here. Okay, and you can do the formatting as per your thing, right? So you can define, you can make it as per you. Okay, and you can increase font, decrease font, everything you can do on zero, right? So that will define. This is how you have to do the insert the different shapes, because this is required when you do the any formatting, any preparation of any document, template, anything, right? So this shapes, it will be very useful to prepare a beautiful document, any document. Example, arrow. See here. So when we're making any presentation or any official document, any project document, this thing will be helpful to prepare your project document. Okay, so this is how the insert steps works. So what we discuss today? We discuss insert steps in MS Word. Okay, see you in my next video. Thank you.